Hey, what is going on YouTube? So today I wanted to talk to you about a strategy that I like to use. It's called the moving averages strategy, and let's get right into it. So here is a chart for SPY today. The green line is the price of SPY today. So what I like to look at is the moving average strategy. So here we can see the moving averages right here, right? It's like a little wave in the middle. So what I like to look for is the price of SPY. You see how it moved away from the moving averages up here? So SPY's price is up here and the moving averages are down here. What I like to do is anytime we move away from the moving averages, I like to bet that it's going to come back down to the moving averages. So over here we had a big move up away from the moving averages. You would enter a short position for puts right here, right? So this is almost like an A plus setup, an A plus trade right here. And then the reason why this is A plus is it moved away from the moving averages. And then also, I like to use two indicators. The second indicator here, if you look down on the RSI right here, what do you see? We topped up the RSI. So the RSI over here, I usually like to play in between this orange band right here, the RSI. We topped that on the RSI right here, and you can see we moved away from the moving averages. So right there, that is two indicators, okay? Two indicators that are basically reinforcing. If you were to enter shorts or puts here, that's two signals right there that it's going to go in your direction. So if you were to enter shorts, puts here, what happened? Boom, made a huge move down to the moving averages. And then what happened here? We didn't bounce off the moving averages, right? Because it could have touched the moving averages and kept going up, but it went down. Okay. So what happened over here? Went down underneath the moving averages. That was another signal, right? So when you moved away from the moving averages, that was another signal that it's going to come back down to this moving averages. And then what happened? Just like I said, it went up to the moving averages and couldn't go above it and failed back down. And then as you can see here, the moving averages are coming down with it. And as you can see, what happened here? We are really far away from the moving averages, right? And then over here too. But so we are away from the moving averages here. I always said I like to look for two indicators, right? So what's the second indicator we're going to look for? We are going to come down here to the RSI chart. And look what happened. We bottomed out on the RSI chart right here. See how we're at the bottom of the orange band? So that was a buy signal. The first indicator was we were away from the moving averages. And then the second indicator to show us like, hey, this is an A plus trade. This is an A plus setup. Right here, you look at the RSI. We are bottomed out at the RSI. Boom. So if you were to enter calls here again, which I did, you would have had three winning trades with A plus setups and two indicators each time. So my first trade was here, second trade a little scalp. I thought we would push up above the moving averages, but once I saw we couldn't move above the moving averages and it failed, got out of my position, broke even on this one, and then on this one we got in. I saw that we were trying to move above the moving averages, held on, and once I saw we moved above these moving averages, I looked at the VWAP, which is this purple line, and just like I predicted, it went exactly to that line. So these are some of the A plus indicators and setups that I like to take. It's very simple. If you follow this strategy, it's impossible to lose money. You won't be able to lose money. So let's go over the strategy one more time. We moved away from the moving averages, right? That's the first indicator. So we're going to bet that it's going to go back to the moving averages. And then the second indicator was the RSI. We were topped out. Like I said, it likes to play in between these orange bands. So when it reached the top, and then over here, and then the moving averages was also lower, that was two A plus indicators that were telling us that we were in the right position at that time. So hopefully, I hope this video taught you guys something and you guys gained some value from this. because I used to be, or I am a high school dropout, and people used to say, "Oh, you won't succeed in life, you won't do anything, you won't be able to become successful." And look at me, I am making $8,000 to $10,000 a week, just sitting here 1 hour a day, just following this simple strategy. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. If you think that this might help you or you found this useful, please like, comment, and share. And I want to see somebody who actually watched this video try it the next time, and write down in the comments, tell me how it went, because this is like a 99% win rate. Like, there's no way you'll be able to lose with this strategy. So I just wanted to put you guys on some game. Thank you for watching my video. Hopefully this helped you guys out, and I will keep trying to roll out more videos for tips and tricks for you guys. And yeah, hopefully this helps somebody, and have a good day, and let's make some money, guys.